Good evening, I am Dr. Shubhang Agarwal, orthopedic surgeon at NHS Hospital Jalandhar. Today we are going to talk about a specific issue which is being seen after COVID. It is called as avascular necrosis. That is, the blood supply to a particular bone, the end of a bone gets cut off. It can happen spontaneously without any reason. It can happen to people who take excessive alcohol. It can happen by taking excessive steroids. That is why in this post-COVID times, we have seen a surge in the number of patients presenting with avascular necrosis. It's also being called as bone death, as we discussed. So what happens in avascular necrosis? Imagine this is the hip joint and this is how it works as a ball and a socket joint, and you can function like this lifelong without any issues. But if the blood supply to the ball of the hip joint gets cut off, it is called as avascular necrosis. Excessive use of steroids in treatment of COVID, which was a double-edged sword and was actually essential at that time to save lives, has come up as a side effect in certain younger people presenting with hip pain or spontaneous shoulder pain or knee pain. And we find that doing an MRI or in a later stage even on an X-ray, it shows up as osteonecrosis. Osteonecrosis meaning the blood supply to that part of the bone gets cut off and the bone gets destroyed. If it happens at the end of the bone in a joint, the joint gets eroded and can collapse, and this is how it will become, and you will end up in a replacement, like a hip replacement surgery. So what should we do? In the initial stages, if it is detected, you must, especially if you are post-COVID and you've been treated with high-dose steroids, you must not ignore any aches and pains. It is normal to have some aches and pains after COVID. It's called viral myalgia, body aches and just feeling low for some time. Maybe a month or two is your recovery time. But after that, if you have a sharp shooting or a specific joint ache, you must consult your orthopedic surgeon, who will then do the relevant investigations and detect if there is a problem called as avascular necrosis. Once that happens, it can take up to almost 2 to 3 years on rest or protected weight bearing and medication to actually reverse this on its own. But if it goes beyond a particular stage, then you will end up needing a hip replacement surgery. Thank you.